Nigeria, we hail thee, our home, the native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigeria, all are proud to serve our sovereign motherland. Nigeria, a nation blessed with abundant resources, diverse cultures, and resilient people, still grapples with the weight of economic challenges. Our people face daily struggle to make ends meet. Social unrest and insecurity become all too familiar, and the quest for national unity seems like an elusive dream. As Nelson Mandela so eloquently put it, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. This is the Nigeria spirit, a spirit that says we will rise again. We will triumph. We will overcome as we forge ahead and build a nation that is worthy of our highest aspirations. So as we celebrate our 64th independence, let us recommit to building a better nation, a nation where every citizen has access to opportunities, a nation where every citizen can be proud to call home. Dear viewers, what does Nigeria independence mean to you? What do you think is the key to unlocking our nation's greatest potential? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out another video on my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. Bye, viewers.